Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to digital marketing and wondering what is it, how is it work, then you are at the right place. In today's video, I will gonna talk about digital marketing in simple terms. So let's get started. So first, let's understand what is the meaning of digital marketing. Digital marketing is the process of promoting products, services, or brands using the internet and digital platforms. In the past, business mainly advertised through newspapers, television, radio, and billboards. Today, people spend much of their time on online, so businesses using digital channels such as Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, websites, email, and mobile apps to reach potential customers. For example, when you search for a product on Google, then click one of the results, or when you see an advertisement while watching YouTube, that's digital marketing. In simple words, digital marketing is promoting a business online to reach the right audience at the right time. And now let's discuss why digital marketing has become so important. Today, billions of people use internet every day. Before buying a product or services, many people search online for information, compare options, and read reviews. This gives business a great opportunity to connect with the right potential customers. Compared to traditional marketing, digital marketing is more affordable, reaches a wider audiences, and allow business to measure campaigns performance in real time. Instead of guessing what work, business can use the data to improve their marketing strategies. Digital marketing is a broad field with several important areas. The main types of including search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media marketing, content optimization, content marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, and video marketing. There is a lot. And each type has a different purpose, but together they help business to attract visitors, build relationship, and increase sales. In upcoming videos, we will explore each of this topic in detail. Let's start with SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In this process of improving a website so that it's ranked higher in search engine results without paying for advertisement. It's organic, completely organic. For example, if someone searches for best running shoes and your website appears on the first page of Google, that usually because of effective SEO. Next is search engine marketing, commonly known as SEM or PPC, which stands for pay per click. Unlike SEO, SEM involves paying to display advertisement on Google search engines. Not only Google, it's also in Bing. Bing is another search engine. The biggest advantage is speed. Business can start receiving visitors as soon as the campaign goes live. This is paid, not like SEO. Now let's talk about social media marketing. Millions of people use platforms like social media, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, and X every day. Business use these platforms to share contents, build brand awareness, engage with customers, and promote their products and services. For example, a clothing brand may showcase new collections through Instagram Reels also or YouTube to attract potential buyers. Social media marketing help business to build relationship with their audiences and increase customer loyalty. The content marketing focus on creating valuable and informative content instead of direct promoting products. Business educate, inform, and entertain their audience. Content can include blog posts, videos, podcasts, infographics, ebooks, and tutorials like this. When people find your content useful, then begin to trust your brand. Then trust often leads to more customers over time. Email marketing is the one of the oldest yet most powerful digital marketing method. Businesses use email to communicate direct with customers by sending newsletters, special offers, product updates, and personalized recommendations. It helps business to maintain long-term relationship with customers and engage repeat purchase. Now let's look at the main digital marketing channels. These include websites, search engines like Google, social media platforms, email, YouTube, mobile apps, and online advertisements. Most successful business use several of these channels together. For example, someone discover a business on YouTube or Instagram and visit their website through Google and subscribe email newsletters and finally make a purchase. This journey is called customer journey. Now we can discuss about the advantage of digital marketing. Digital marketing allows business to reach customer across the world. It is more cost effective than many traditional advertising methods. Business can target specific audiences based on age, interest, location, and online behavior. Most importantly, every campaign can measure using data, helping business to improve their result over time. Let's compare traditional marketing versus digital marketing. Traditional marketing include TV commercial, newspaper, radio, magazines, and billboards. Digital marketing include website, Google search, social media, YouTube, email, and online advertisement. The biggest difference is the digital marketing provide measurable results and highly targeted campaigns. Business know exactly how many people views, clicks, or purchase through an online campaign. That's the main difference. And if you need to build a career in digital marketing, these are the most important skills to learn: search engine optimization, Google Ads, social media marketing, content writing, graphic design, video editing, email marketing, analytics, and AI tools to improve productivity and content creation. You don't need to learn everything at once. Start with the basic, practice regularly, and gradually expand your skills. Digital marketing offers many exciting career paths. You can work as a digital marketing executive, SEO specialist, PPC expert, social media manager, content marketer, email marketing specialist, freelancer, or even start your own digital marketing agency. Let's quickly recap. Digital marketing is the promotion of products and services through online channels, includes SEO, paid advertising, social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, and such more. It helps business reach the right audiences, measure results, and grow efficiently. Thank you for watching. And the upcoming video, I will show you how to do this all digital marketing techniques and practically.